Doomsday Valley, a small town where strange things seem to be happening. I hope this job proves to be worth my time.
I still need a moment. My head is not in the right place.
Your head is never in the right place, Cletus.
Damn it, Rosie! I know what I saw.
These scratch marks are intimidating. Whatever did this must be massive.
Going back isn't going to help if it turns out to be nothing more than a trick of the light.
A trick of the light doesn't growl and make swooshy noises.
I'm sure there's nothing to worry about.